The following podcast may contain content that could trigger traditional matchmakers and anyone invested in the ideal arranged marriage market. If you're easily offended by sarcasm,
We suggest you proceed with caution as we keep sarcasm as center focus today. All jokes are made in good humor and are not meant to disrespect any ritual. Welcome to the chaos. Pump up.
pump up.
Hi guys, welcome back to our podcast.
The vibe is little different today, and this is our entry look for This Is Her.
Sorry for my voice. I've been a viral girlie since 4 days. I was trying
Since
and trying,
forever.
just didn't get better. So yeah, welcome
Anyways,
to our channel.
yeah, I'm Sakshi Jain,
I'm Nilasha Ratra.
and this is our podcast called
Kaskal Singh. Okay, so the first time that I remember that I got the news that somebody my age is getting married was when I was 22. And I was like, holy moly, what age have I entered?
Oh God.
And since then, it's just been a downhill.
Uh-huh.
But
20s
now,
are scary.
yeah, but now it's feeling like more real.
Hmm.
Like truck can hit us
Yeah.
anytime now.
The sea is near. Can drown anytime.
हाँ तो अब थोड़ा ज़्यादा रियलिस्टिक फील हो रहा है पहले एकदम से
हाँ
तो
ना.
था 22
Fairy tale.
21 23 and now it just seems like ठीक है मतलब
Okay.
I'm settling down to the idea
Considerable
yeah the
thing.
people around me are getting married
But
and
it's weird that people of our age are getting married, but then people of like in their late 20s, they are fully
Hmm.
settled. Like they don't want to get married. Full against.
hmm.
I think that is weird.
हाँ
for
पता नहीं
me.
हमारा आई डोंट गेट इट हमारी एज वालों को एकदम से क्या एकदम कमिटमेंट
कुछ तो
का
hit हुआ
which
है.
is like you do you but
Yeah, we're not judging, obviously.
yeah I've just not been able to settle but
Mhm.
eventually I think I'm settling down to this idea
Yeah.
that okay maybe it's
The
coming
fact
closer.
that we are discussing it here,
Hmm.
even that is a big sign that we are, trying to settle down things.
And being realistic. Say,
Honestly.
saying like that being said, आज हम थोड़ा सा उल्टा ही बात करने वाले हैं. We're
Yeah.
gonna judge how close and how
Hmm.
far are we from the arranged marriage market. Not even
Eligibility criteria.
yeah, I'm not talking about the marriage market. I'm just talking about the arranged marriage
Yeah.
market. Like where do we stand? सो हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम जो भी हम अपने लाइफ में 50+ लोगों को जानते हैं विल गेट टू नो देयर पर्सपेक्टिव कि आपके हिसाब से क्या क्या पॉइंटर्स होने चाहिए इन अ वुमेन
Majorly.
या आपके हिसाब से क्या पॉइंटर्स होने चाहिए जो अरेंज मैरिज के लिए उन्हें रेडी करता है बट एज वी
Could not
considered
ask anyone, obviously. So
क्योंकि
we.
हम मोस्टली एग्री नहीं करते और अगर हम उनके पॉइंटर्स बोलते और यहाँ डिस्कस करते कि woo
We
you
can't do
said
that.
that boo so you're like let's not do that, let's not ask उनके pointers. So
Yeah.
then who
The
is
savior,
yes,
the god, the legend,
ChatGPT. So we turned ChatGPT into
a
an
50-year-old auntie.
yeah
And then हमने उसको पूछा कि what is the criteria and what things a woman should, take care of when considering an arranged marriage. So let's read it out and see if we,
where are we in the market,
yeah,
are we at the gate, are we at the fence, or are we like
far-fetched.
yeah
Let's go! Are y'all excited? Because
Hmm.
we are.
पहले अपने तो अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बताओ कि तेरे को क्या लगता है कि उनके हिसाब से व्हाट इज दैट वन क्राइटेरिया or one pointer that you should agree or have to be in the arranged marriage market.
Right. So I think, okay, so people say that they have evolved with time. So they would be like, yeah, women should work. But then they should be independent, but not over independent. Like तुम सब काम नहीं कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से.
They can't have it all.
They can't have it all, like they say. But then they are allowing us to work.
Oh my
Should be
God.
happy, right?
Oh my God.
And we should be ready to shift and to shift our work wherever the guy is working, wherever, like be it Bangalore, be it some other country or some other city. we should always be on our toes to shift countries, cities for our love.
For our love is not existent in this
Acha,
conversation.
sorry. According to them, it is, right? That is
No,
why.
nobody is fooled that way.
Is it?
Yeah, let's keep love
Okay.
out of this conversation.
Okay, my
This
bad.
is just arranged marriage market.
Okay, understood. How about you? What do
हाँ,
you think?
तो according to me, it's like be yourself
Mm-hmm.
because you need to find a person for yourself. पर इतना भी नहीं, हाँ, इतना भी अपना self नहीं हो जाना कि कुछ भी बोल दो. Be yourself, but not that much, हाँ, not that much.
Be in your limits.
हाँ, be a little diplomatic. Don't,
Understood.
हाँ, so don't be yourself. इतना भी थोड़ी मतलब.
True.
If you want to be a bestseller in the market, don't be yourself. एकदम truly. ठीक है. Now let's see what ChatGPT says being a 50 plus
Auntie. Seema auntie.
So the first one is that you should be family oriented in nature. Show respect and care for family traditions and elders.
I mean, of course. करना ही पड़ेगा. अब उनके लड़के को थोड़ी आएगा ना पूजा करना, घर संभालना, फैमिली को रिस्पेक्ट करना. I mean, your in-laws are the priority. Obviously.
अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करो ना करो.
करो ना करो. उनका फैमिली, not even just in-laws का भी फैमिली. Obviously, who will take care of them? I mean, that is so obvious. ChatGPT, good job.
Yay!
Next.
Just putting the tone across. I hope you get it. Like,
get the vibe, guys.
So yeah,
I'm sure you will.
Next is modesty. Dress conservatively, speak humbly, and avoid drawing too much attention. What the fuck are you wearing?
God.
You're drawing too much attention, I feel. I don't think you'll be able to be succeeded in the market. I think we didn't understand the assignment for that.
Yeah, we will work on that. We will work hard.
Dress conservatively, speak humbly.
Speak humbly.
Speak humbly, Sakshi.
Okay.
दिखा. Humbly बोल के दिखा.
Namaste. that's all I know for now.
Tick mark 7 crore. आपको 7 करोड़ की पार्टी मिलेगी.
क्या करूंगी मैं इतनी बड़ी धनराशि का?
Oh my god, you have no idea. Nice working. We are learning.
I might spend it on my wedding maybe.
Nice. We are learning. Next is good homemaking skills. Basic cooking and household management are often expected.
हाँ, मतलब obviously खाना बनाना तो आना चाहिए भाई.
True.
And we are good at it.
हाँ, साक्षी को इतनी सारी spaghettis बनानी आती है. You name it.
Pink, green,
pesto,
white, you name the color and I'll make it. See?
TV tab. What spaghetti do you choose? मतलब continental food, guys.
Exactly. And Yogasha makes the best avocado toast.
Oh my god.
Must try. I mean, तेरे in-laws तो flat हो जाएंगे breakfast पे ही. यही खाना है और breakfast dinner best बहू.
ऐसा avocado मैश कर दूँ मैं फिर प्याज टमाटर. Culinary experience.
You forgot that corn experience we had.
Oh yeah. So we handle it so well. So it's written na कि we should manage household stuff. We manage it so well. So गरम तेल पे साक्षी ने freezer से निकाले हुए corns डाल दिए और फिर वो corns पूरी kitchen में dance कर रहे थे और उसको handle करने उसको बंद करने के बजाय हम एक distance पे खड़े हुए हैं.
And we're just watching it and we are also dancing and we are screaming.
Not watching it, we are screaming it. हम उसको देख रहे होते हुए और हम चिल्ला रहे हैं. And it's just वहाँ पे corns उछल रहे हैं kitchen की ceiling में पहुँच रहे हैं. But did we burn the kitchen?
No, we did not.
Are we alive?
Yes, we are.
Good management skills.
Amazing.
Good management skills. 7 crore.
Best.
Let's go.
Again.
Nailed it.
2 बार 7 करोड़ जीत लिया मैंने.
Okay. Okay, next is respect for in-laws. Demonstrate respect and willingness to adjust. Adjust being the key word.
Adjust, obviously, adjust is like synonym. I think वो तो सबके नाम में होना चाहिए. साक्षी adjust chain.
और हम इतना एडजस्ट करते हैं यार. जैसे संडे को मेगा ब्लॉक होता है यहाँ पे तो 11 बजे वो स्टार्ट होता है, 4 तक चलता है।
एग्जैक्टली
हम अपने प्लान एडजस्ट करते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग, ट्रेन टाइमिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग, तो एक इंसान के अकॉर्डिंग तो हम,
कर ही सकते हैं.
ओ माय गॉड।
प्लस वी आर लिविंग इन मुंबई, हम लोकल से ट्रैवल करते हैं. Even that is, I think, enough sign.
ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट।
Yeah, very
Truly.
adjusting. Hmm,
और हम एक दूसरे को बेयर कर पाते हैं एज फ्लैटमेट्स।
true.
आई थिंक ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स ऑन
What
एडजस्टमेंट।
can be worse?
इससे बड़ा क्या ही होगा। दीदी
Yeah.
हमारी सुनती नहीं है, टाइम पे वो
हाँ.
आती नहीं है।
हम दीदी के साथ एडजस्ट करते हैं भाई.
एग्जैक्टली।
हम उनको She will watch this.
शी वोंट वॉच इट।
Are you sure? But anyways, हम उनके हिसाब से भी एडजस्ट करते हैं. मतलब अगर उनका टाइमिंग, हमारा टाइमिंग कॉलेज का 8:30 बजे है, बट अगर उनको नहीं जम रहा है तो फिर हम उनके टाइम पे उनको 1 बजे बुलाते हैं.
एडजस्ट
Adjust.
एडजस्ट।
Adjust.
डन 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 डन।
People should learn from us.
एग्जैक्टली। लोकल में एडजस्ट करा, दीदी से एडजस्ट करा, आपस में
घर
एडजस्ट
पे
करा।
एडजस्ट करा. Crazy adjusting skills.
Embrace cultural and religious practices even if modern in outlook.
तुझे पूजा करना नहीं आता?
Hmm.
What the hell?
I'm
वो
learning.
तो that is the least expected, no?
Hmm.
मतलब इतना तो आना ही चाहिए. Even though if तुम्हारे घर में कुछ और होता हुआ आ रहा है, तुम किसी और वे से कुछ particular tradition follow कर रहे हो, you should unlearn and relearn
Exactly.
the new ways or whatever is being followed in that particular family.
Hmm.
Obviously, मतलब वो तो आना ही चाहिए. That is
And
तो.
Sakshi is such a traditionalist. No, seriously,
Yeah.
jokes apart, she's been doing her Paryusham, not eating onion, not eating lasan. And what am I doing?
You are with me.
I'm adjusting.
हमारे
Plus
घर
100
में
points.
एक हफ्ते से आलू नहीं आया है, प्याज नहीं आया है, लहसुन तो पड़े हुए हैं तो पर यूज नहीं हुए हैं.
Exactly. Matlab, it shows how traditional Sakshi
Yeah.
is and how adjusting I am.
Yeah,
So I've been eating whatever she eats without pyaz, lasan, aloo.
see, best.
And ऐसे jokes apart, I think किसी को भी force करना to follow a tradition, it just doesn't seem right कि आप अपने beliefs किसी पे force कर रहे हो. But at the same point, I like to respect it. Like, if you want me to be happily part of it and respect it, I'm there for you. For example, I'm like decided to be vegan. So this is my belief. तो मैं किसी को force नहीं करूँगी to believe it with me.
Yeah.
But you know, you do you and I do.
-100.
What -100?
Obviously, you have to learn and you have to again do what they are doing. It's just not
Oh.
about respecting, but you should also be willing to learn.
So I think being vegan would reduce my
Yeah.
marks.
And I think
But
being vegetarians would include.
exactly what I was going to say कि हम non-veg नहीं खाते. That is तो like
At least वो तो होना ही चाहिए.
red star on performance chart.
Red
ये
or
तो
green?
green. Red होता है, फिर सबसे बड़ा green होता था ना.
Oh, okay. Okay.
हाँ तो green star. वो
हाँ.
green vegetarian.
Let's go.
हाँ, so okay, vegetarian होना increases my marks, but at the same time
Vegan
vegan
होना
होना
would-
reduces my marks. Okay.
Minus वो JEE में नहीं होता था. +1 but minus, no, +4 but -1.
Hampers my adjusting nature.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, but we are going good. We are going strong.
They're going strong.
Patience and calmness. Handle family matters and marriage related discussions with grace and calmness.
Of course. Obviously, Yogasha is calmness का मूर्त. हमारा जब भी लैपटॉप क्रैश होता है तो she would literally, she is this close to throwing my laptop balcony के बाहर.
True.
Legit this close.
But
This
do I
shows.
throw it?
No, you don't.
So that means I'm calm.
Yeah.
Nailing it. Nailing it to the T. So ये सब तो नहीं पता marriage वगैरह का patience and calmness, but for now, I mean, you know, Sakshi is so patient and calm. जब भी कोई ऐसी situation आती है where she's not happy, she has this melodious music that goes on. It's
Yeah.
like
Again
fudge,
and again.
fudge, fudge,
On
fudge, fudge,
repeat.
fudge, fudge. Like ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? So कौन नहीं सुनना चाहेगा?
Obviously.
I think people would I'm sorry, who would your future whoever is would love that. I think
Mm-hmm.
best background music, हम अलीबाग गए, वहां पे वेट सैंड थी जिसमें कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता, वहां का नेचर ही ऐसा है, एंड हम लैंड करे टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल बीच जो पूरा खाली है, endless sea, and Sakshi decided to do and I stopped looking at her. I started walking straight to the sea.
But did I not enjoy it?
You did. Eventually, she
Exactly.
did.
I did a lot of, I even took a lot of pictures.
Exactly. After half an hour
Yeah.
of Pach Pach and music, she enjoyed it.
So that means I'm calm, right?
Calmness.
Patience.
Patience.
And that shows even you have a lot of patience.
वो तो I do. I choose to ignore what I don't like and I start walking. So that's how I get it.
Let's go.
Next is health and appearance. I think appearance though killing it.
Gymming.
Huh.
I think, guys, that is like the hidden reason we have started gymming.
Exactly.
Pillow willow to is like side thing. ये तो बोलने की बात है. The hidden reason is this. And that is why we are gymming and we are eating healthy. Of course, we are dieting.
Right. और आंवला और एलोवेरा वाला जूस कौन पी रहा है?
हम लोग.
रोज जिम कौन जा रहा है?
हम.
Oh my God. और सनसेट से पहले खाना कौन खा रहा है?
हम.
मतलब मेजरली साक्षी, बट हम.
Mostly, bhai. Even you don't eat food रात को, right?
Exactly.
So, sorted.
Nailing it.
5 बजे
But
dinner.
I have a minus point in this. So my
What?
trainer has been pushing me to pick more weights, which is giving me this weird hard skin on my hand.
Oh God. What about your feminine energy then?
Exactly. तो मुझे लग रहा है that would reduce my points a bit. मतलब वो I'm thinking to buy some gloves
Must.
to protect my hands. I think
Must,
that
bro.
factor is gonna reduce my marks.
But we'll work on that.
हाँ, so be healthy, but not like muscular, not like कि हाथ खराब हो जाए. Just like
Obviously.
I should know my limits. Okay, next is, oh, again an amazing one, moderate ambitions. Career success is valued but should not overshadow your family life.
हाँ, I mean that is the thing ना, मतलब degree होना चाहिए, पढ़ी लिखी होना चाहिए, but should not have a successful career. Otherwise घर पे who will take care of every small
Over ambition
things?
हो जाएगा.
Exactly.
Right. So that's why we are broke, you know. क्योंकि मैं तो भी freelance less चल रही हूँ, but MBA भी करो और freelance उठाऊँ, podcast करो, उसको edit करो, reels करो. I think too much ambition for one person. So I thought of
that
just,
too while studying.
Exactly. So I just thought
Not makes
to
sense.
be broke, which makes total sense. Killing it. Oh my
Killing
God.
it.
Shit.
Extra points.
I didn't expect us to be this good and this close to the market.
We were trying.
We are on the fence.
Yeah.
We'll enter the gate soon. Okay. Other is discretion. Maintain an image of decency and traditional morality. I'm so traditionalist right now.
Yeah, I mean, you can see, you know, people want modern as well as traditional ka proper combination.
And
Look
that's
at you. That is like proper
that's
Indo-Western.
what my outfit is.
That is
Modern.
not just her outfit. That is her whole personality.
Right. That's my pitch.
Do you look that bindi? Look at that bindi. That is like the perfect.
Oh my God, I think I'm killing it. आपको बहुत अच्छा ऑफर मिलने वाला है.
Salary discuss कर ले.
Okay, Sakshi, as we have successfully achieved the pointers, जो हमें होना चाहिए, totally killed it, I would say. I mean,
Obviously.
are we better than? What was that?
Am I better than everyone else? Yes, we
Definitely,
are. Definitely. Without any
So,
doubt.
हाँ, जैसे कि कुछ पॉइंटर्स होने चाहिए, उसके अलावा कुछ पॉइंटर्स है जो आपको हाइड करने पड़ते हैं अपनी पर्सनालिटी से. तो let's see.
Even if you have to hide.
Exactly.
Okay.
Must do it. First is too much independence. Avoid showcasing extreme independence, which may be seen as unwillingness to compromise.
Compromise. Oh my God.
We forgot this adjective. Right?
How did we? Again, a synonym.
तो too much independence तो नहीं है, मतलब
Obviously, who will
हम
take
सारा
care
घर
of?
का काम खुद नहीं करते हैं, दीदी आती है. तो हम नहीं है totally independent.
Yeah, over independent
Oh,
तो we are
exactly.
not.
मतलब मैं बर्तन मांज सकती हूँ पर क्या मैं मांजती हूँ?
नहीं,
Because that would make me
over independent.
exactly. So
Yeah.
not independent.
We even do not go downstairs to get sabzi or anything.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
always blink it or
Yeah,
Instamart.
exactly. Because if we go and buy it, it would just
Over
make it
independent हो जाएगा ना.
right. I get it now. We are not too much independent, totally hiding it to our best. कर सकते हैं हम सब कुछ खुद
Let's
पर
go.
नहीं करेंगे. Of course. Okay. Rebellion against traditions. Don't openly challenge culture or religious practices, even if you don't fully agree with them.
I think Yugasha is safe here. Like you said, you respect, but then you never tell anyone or force anyone or go against their beliefs.
Exactly.
I think you're safe. And I think I'm working on it.
No, okay, again, jokes apart, moving out of the character, I would like to question it. अगर वो मेरे morality से against जाता है, I would question that thing, but I'll work on it.
Yeah,
But yeah, as I said, I respect all traditions, whatever you believe. And
even I think I do not question much.
Hmm.
Like I would just be like, okay, do whatever you want to. Like they say, na, we have this saying,
Hmm.
live and let live. So
Hmm.
that's what I'm following. That's what I follow.
Oh,
Even though the
how?
community doesn't,
Oh,
but then I do.
he's over it. Oh my God, you are the killing it in your community. जो सब नहीं
See,
कर पा रहे वो तू अपनी community को
yeah,
follow कर रही है
everyone would have a say in your life,
and you don't.
and I don't. Like I do have a say in my
My
life,
life,
but
दूसरों की life में.
yeah,
And your culture says live
and
let
let live.
and you do that.
And yeah, see,
Oh my
plus
God.
1,000 points, guys.
I can't match. I can't match on this.
So I'm winning.
You are totally winning it. Okay.
Let's go.
Over modern behavior. Avoid excessive partying, drinking, or behaviors that could be perceived as too Western.
Yeah, obviously.
Sorry. Yes, you were saying. Nothing. Say.
हाँ मतलब obviously over partying is bad. घर तो जल्दी आना चाहिए. I mean you should have this time zone or
और
time
तभी तो
limit.
तू अपने रूम में डांस करती है ना on the songs you like. You
Yeah,
never do it outside.
item songs.
Exactly. You never do it outside.
I think I pass.
Plus 100 points. So अगर मेरे हिसाब से अगर drink करते भी हो, so you don't have to admit. अच्छा, it's like hiding it. It's not saying you can't.
Yeah.
Okay, let's understand this.
Yeah.
Sorry, got it totally wrong. You can do it, but you have to hide it.
Yeah.
करो, लेकिन बोलो मत.
छुपाओ.
Exactly.
You can't say, whatever things you're doing, but then you don't have to show. Even if you're partying.
Or you
maybe.
just say, I have like one beer, or I just sip it,
Yeah.
And so hide it. You should know how to properly hide
Show
it.
yourself.
Exactly. What did we learn?
Hide it. Properly hide it.
Repeat it.
Properly hide it.
Oh my God, totally killing it.
Killing it. Best.
What else? What else do we have? What else do we have to kill?
Let's go.
Avoid public confrontations or disagreements, especially with elders.
Obviously, matlab, that is what our upbringing is. Like we were discussing, they can be rude to us. They can be, the
They
typical.
can say whatever, but you can't disagree.
Yeah, because we have to be respectful, elders से ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं उसको मुंह पे तो नहीं बोल सकते ना कुछ.
And we have been so agreeable. मतलब हमारे कॉलेज में 75% अटेंडेंस है तो हम 75 ही टच करते हैं, हम उससे ऊपर नहीं जाते हैं.
So we have this whole map out thingy. हम जहाँ पे एक एक टिक करते हैं कि इसके कितने lectures attend करने हैं, कितने नहीं करने हैं.
But see, no, we only achieve criteria कितना है? 75.
Yeah.
We achieve 75. Not 80.
Exact.
Not 76. Because we are agreeable.
Agreeable.
So agreeable.
College जो बोलता है हम उससे इतना agree करते हैं. तो
Exactly. तो
imagine. And we've been really easy on our parents also.
Oh, I was a breeze.
So I'm sure will be very easy on the guy's parents also.
Exactly, super agree. So my parents, like my mom mentioned to never cut my hair. तो मैंने इतना respectfully छुपा के अपने बाल काटे.
Yeah, we know that story, right? We
If
know.
if you don't watch episode 1.
One.
So yeah, मैंने छुपा के काटे because I wanted to be
Yeah.
agreeable.
And you're good at hiding also.
Totally.
Total 2 points.
Thanks.
So
Winning
proud
it.
of you.
Thanks. Okay, financial independence as a priority. Oh, ये तो अपनी है ही नहीं.
हम तो broke हैं.
Exactly. So while important, do not make it the main focus in marriage discussions.
We should not make this main focus.
हाँ, financial. But financial ही तो main focus है arrange marriage.
Health is wealth.
Financial aspect कैसे discuss नहीं करना?
हमें कुछ तो डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा ना. I think this is the point is wrong.
Okay.
It is not properly sentenced.
Achha, no. Sorry. We forgot. So it can be, but you have to hide it.
Oh,
What did we learn?
right. Hide it.
Hide it.
Let's go again.
हाँ,
What
hide
did we
it.
learn? Hide it
Got
properly.
it. ठीक है. So इतना भी priority दिखाना नहीं है उसको. While it is important, you don't have to show it.
Yeah, you have to be like, huh, money doesn't matter. Emotions
Exactly.
does.
Exactly.
Hide it.
I think we killed it, bro. Killed it.
Killed it.
So where are we in the market? Have we reached the fence? Have we reached the gate? Are we
I think we are at the gate.
okay? After this, I think we are kicked so outside the gate. We can't even pop and see the market anymore. Like, oh
That's
yeah.
the whole idea, you know. But I think you guys can tell us in the comments. I mean, जो हमें
Exactly.
जानते हैं एटलीस्ट वो तो बता ही सकते हैं कि हम कितना पास में है मार्केट के.
और आप कितने पॉइंट से एग्री करते हो, कितना हमें एग्री करते
And
हो.
even you can tell for yourself also कि आप कितना पास में है उस
You
मार्केट के.
should start assessing yourself if you
Yeah,
have
because
touched,
it's time, guys.
if you have touched 23.
Even if you've
Roll.
touched 20, I mean, practice तो
हाँ.
अभी से चालू कर दो ना, तभी तो you'll be very good.
So let's brush up. Adjustment,
Adjustment,
what else?
compromise,
Compromise, cooking, handling,
dressing, modesty,
modesty, yes, and
traditional values,
traditional plus
modern,
modern,
modern.
agreeability,
Yeah,
like not disagreeing.
properly hide things.
Yes,
I think that's it. We can wrap. Cheers.
let's go. So guys, very different vibe हमने करने का try किया. I don't know क्या हुआ. We don't know how. ठीक है, we just sat in front of it and we were like, we'll just roll. So I
Yeah.
hope कि
This
it will
was
be
the, I
fresh,
think, very unfiltered
impromptu.
episode. Yeah.
So मुझे नहीं पता how will the reactions be, but
Let's
Already.
go with this.
all ready for it. Like, share,
Subscribe and do give your feedback and your scores and do follow us on Instagram.
to these modern yet traditional girlies. See you
See
in
you
the
in the
next
next
one.
episode. Bye.